Basic English Grammar
មូលដ្ឋានគ្រឹះនៃវេយ្យាករណ៍ភាសាអង់គ្លេស
Noun
នាម
Verb
កិរិយាសព្ទ
An adjective
គុណនាម
What is noun?
តើនាមជាអ្វី
Noun is a word that refers to person, place, thing, or event.
គឺជាពាក្យដែលសំដៅទៅលើមនុស្សទីកន្លែងវត្ថុឬព្រឹត្តិការណ៍
Noun has a person,
នាមជាមនុស្ស
girl, teacher, boy, doctor, friend, fireman, Jim, baby, man. Noun has a place,
នាមជាទីកន្លែង
school, home, library, office, store, Cambodia, park, zoo, city. Noun has a thing,
នាមជាវត្ថុ
book, table, car, candy, ball, pen, shoes, TV, bus. Noun as an event,
នាមជាព្រឹត្តិការណ៍
wedding, birthday, anniversary, New Year, graduation, pool party. What is verb?
តើកិរិយាសព្ទគឺជាអ្វី
Verb is a word used to express an action.
កិរិយាសព្ទគឺជាពាក្យដែលសំដែងនៅអំពើ
Example: I play football.
ខ្ញុំលេងបាល់ទាត់
They eat apples.
ពួកគេញ៉ាំផ្លែប៉ោម
We are students.
យើងគឺជាសិស្ស
She smiles to me.
នាងញញឹមមកខ្ញុំ
What is adjective?
តើអ្វីដែលជាគុណនាម
Adjective is a word that describes a noun.
គុណនាមគឺជាពាក្យដែលពិពណ៌នាអំពីនាម
An adjective can tell color, size, shape, and taste.
គុណនាមមួយអាចប្រាប់ពណ៌ទំហំរូបរាងនិងរសជាតិ
Adjective is color: black, blue, green, white, gray, and pink. Adjective is size: big, huge, large, little, short, small. Adjective is shape: boxy, round, square, circle, star, and heart. Adjective is taste: bitter, sour, sweet, salty, spicy, juicy.